Good morning, everyone. I'm excited. Got my gearbox. Can't wait to open it up. It's a HGT 6-speed gearbox, specifically made for my car. Really excited to put this thing in, see how it feels. I got pretty much all the accessories I need to drop in to the FD. And then basically get the car back on the dyno and retune it. Add a little more boost and see how she does. Super excited. I'm stoked for this, man. Can't wait. Been missing a car already to get back on the road. Alright, I'm gonna have to open up these boxes. Let's see what's in here. Excited for this. Waited a while for this thing. Ordered it back in February. Had a few delays, I think a few parts, but just picked it up a few days ago, 2 days ago. This thing right here. Like opening a Christmas present. Man, I waited a long time for this. Long time. I can't believe how long I waited for it. Just trying not to be impatient. I ordered this through Kyle Mohan. He's a US distributor for HGT. And then I work with Richard at HGT. He pretty much did chose the gearing for my car. And look at this. Look at that. Gets no better than that. You can see it here. Definitely worth the wait. See there? Yeah, I'm so stoked for this. Yeah, look at that. Love it. Get this thing in focus. All billet. Looks pretty trick. So this is all special order through HGT. This pretty much, I believe, is going to be the shifter. You see that here. Looks really, really good. Love the quality. Point it to the camera. This is a line for your reverse. These different knobs. Like that. It's your line for your for the shift cut. Oh no, that's your reverse. Then shift. I also ordered a shift cut knob. And this line's for the shift cut. Pretty clean. Here's also the let's see, the throwout bearing. It's hydraulic. It's all very clean. I don't know if you can catch it in the camera here. There's your throwout bearing. I did a lot of research, and then one of Kyle Mohan, he highly recommends this. He hasn't had no issues with the HGT throwout bearing, so I went with that. And then I got the here's the yoke for the drive shaft, so it's got slip. Looks solid. And this goes up right here. Very solid. I got pretty much I ordered everything through HGT. This is a gearbox breather kit. It's basically a little filter. Little oil catch filter. Got the leather boot. I don't know, I like that shifter to see how it looks with and or without it. And these are the bolts. And here's I got the bell housing, SD custom bell housing. Looks clean. I was thinking about painting it, but might leave it alone. Looks good. Very nice. I don't know if you can see it in the camera here. And you have to align it, index it to the drive shaft, E-shaft, sorry. It's pretty much everything. I'm still waiting on, last thing I'm waiting on is a FD gearbox and differential mounting kit. And then that's it. Gotta get this bad boy in. I'll go from there. I'm excited. Got a lot of work to do. Stay tuned. Peace. Clutch throwout bearings installed. Shimmed. Ready to go. I'll get the correct name. Got my new drive shaft. And drive shaft service. There's my old one. There's my new one. Looks good. I got it done in 2 days. Still got a lot of work to do. Let's start doing it. Got some goodies from Import Works. Put my new pressure plate in, put the clutch in, start measuring for a throwout bearing, and get the new transmission in. There we go, right there, looks good. Alright, ready to get to work. Here's a flywheel, nothing leaking. So we have a lot of work. To the finger pressure plate, from bell housing to the pressure plate fingers.